Hi everyone, my name is Mark Mercado, and today I'll be using my data that I collected from round 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I will explain what I found and show you how to find the price index using the data I collected. Let's get started. Right here are the 10 items that I bought for the data collection project. These are, got this from my PowerPoint that I turned in. Right here we got the Ocean Prairie Cranberry Juice, Sour Patch Kids, Fruit Cup, a regular Crunchy Cheetos, a Planters Trail Mix, a Spearmint Gum, a Dasani Light and Fit Yogurt, a Simple Salad, a Sandwich Baguette, as well as a Clip Bar. These are the prices of each item, and for week 1 I show right here are the item for the prices for all these items right here. And since I bought these items at the JPL food court, the price never really changed as I went through the weeks, and they all stayed the same. Next, I will demonstrate how to calculate the Consumer Price Index, also known as the CPI. Right here, we're going to start off as for our market basket for the week 1, and we will use that as our base market price. So right here are the 10 items as I showed earlier, and each item I purchased it once, so it came out to be a total of $27.77. Now, since the place that I bought these items are at the school JPL food court, the items price never change, so the market basket for week 2 are also $27.77, the same as week 3 and week 4. Next, we're going to calculate the consumer price index for each item. We can start with week 4. So how we do this is we're going to take the market basket for week 4. We're going to divide that by the market basket for week 1, which is our base market basket, and we get times it by 100. Now, since the both weeks are the same, the total is 100, and this will be the same for week 3, week 2, and week 1 when we find our consumer price index. Now I will explain how to calculate inflation rate. Since my pricing week by week stayed the same, and I purchased it in the university's JPL food court, the price never changed, so therefore there's no inflation nor deflation. But let's say if there was an inflation, we will see a difference in CPI. Let's say our CPI for week 2 were higher than our CPI for week 1, then we will have a result of inflation. Now, if week 3 was lower than week 2, then we will have a deflation. So the inflation deflation varies depending on your growth of your CPI or your decrease of your CPI accordingly week by week. And what I found very important about my project was that the university here never really changed their price. It's a set price, which is kind of good for students. But what's good about this project is that we are able to figure out how to compare pricing, in this case week by week, and we can determine the rate of inflation or the rate of deflation.